Today's video is all about things to avoid if you have a stomach ulcer. And these things, if you avoid them, it can be a natural remedy to stomach ulcer. But what is stomach ulcer? Stomach ulcer is an acidic fluid being released in your stomach, which can cause ulcer or an infection in your stomach system. Or when you stay too long, maybe in the morning, you stay too long without eating food, worm will go to your stomach and start piercing due to they are looking for food. And once this happens, it can cause a sore in your stomach, and it is also known as stomach ulcer, or it can also cause a stomach ulcer. So if you can avoid the things that I am going to mention in today's video, it will be a natural remedy to stomach ulcer, and you eat food that you are supposed to eat to help you stay in a good condition and make your stomach to be in a healthy condition, in order to make that stomach ulcer to be a thing of the past. That is to help you get rid of stomach ulcer. But before I proceed on telling you the things you need to avoid in today's video, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting this channel. As you support this channel, God will always support you in all your life endeavors. Anything you are doing will always be a success. So, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So, in case if you are new on this very channel, consider to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the things you need to avoid in order to get rid of stomach ulcer? There is no perfect solution to stomach ulcer, but there are things you need to refrain yourself from. You will get rid of stomach ulcer as soon as possible. There are also things you need to stop taking. Maybe the food you eat might contribute to the development of that stomach ulcer. So things that I'm going to share with you into this video are things you need to avoid if you want to get rid of stomach ulcer as soon as possible. Avoid these things. Number one, fried food. Why do you need to avoid fried food? Fried food contains solid particles that will still go to that sore and scratch it. And once this happens, it will start increasing. So you need to avoid fried food. Number two, avoid milk. Milk. Why do you need to avoid milk? You need to avoid milk because due to the sweetness of that milk can still encourage worms to go and pierce on that sore, because of the sweetness will make them to be sucking those milk, and once they are doing this, they will still scratch the sore in your stomach. Number three is to avoid orange, grape, and lime. These three are very acidic. They are acetic acid. Why do you need to avoid acetic acid or acetic fruits like orange, grape, and lime? Because they will serve as acid, which will still go and watch the surface of that sore in your stomach. And once this happens once again, it will still increase the wideness and the spread of that sore in your stomach. So you need to avoid orange, grape, and lime if you want to cure your stomach ulcer as soon as possible. Number four is guava. Guava, or any fruit that have seed. You can take guava with the seed. You can take watermelon with the seed. You can take cucumber with the seed. Any fruit that contains seed, or you can consume with its seed, avoid such fruit because the seed can still scratch the surface of the sore in your stomach. So other things you can still avoid, like beans. Avoid beans. Avoid so many things that you need to avoid in order to get rid of stomach ulcer. But I want to recommend something that will help you to get rid of it. What is that very thing? Do you know pap? Take pap, the one that is not prepared with hot water, just natural one. Stir it in a cold water, clean water, and always drink it. It will make the temperature of that sore to come down, and it will also help you to heal that sore in your stomach. So pap is very good to consume for anyone with a stomach ulcer. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, please hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified in case I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck, success in all your life endeavors. Bye for now.